Hello viewers, today I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram story could not upload. Try again. Okay, let's fix it. Follow my all steps and don't skipping video. Go to your phone settings. Click on apps. Click on see all apps. Search Instagram. Click on student page. Click on clear page. Click on clear stores. Click on delete. Allow all permission. Go to your Play Store and update check Instagram app. My Instagram app already updated. Click on open. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you guys.